Construction at Evora Residences is progressing steadily through its vertical phase. Ground floor, Podium 1, and levels 1 through 3 are now 100% complete, with Level 4 steelworks underway. Levels 5 and 6 are set to progress as scheduled, keeping the project on track for Q3 2026 completion. Ground floor block work is 80% done. MEP installations are at 50% and Podium 1 at 30%, alongside ongoing plastering and ceiling works. Evora Residences by ANAX continues with clarity, control, and delivery confidence. Elevated living, taking shape.